All right, thanks for coming. We're here to unbox the DJI Mic Mini. As you can tell, I got my assistant, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's pretty awesome. It actually tracks me wherever I go. It's pretty good. I can even get behind this stand and it follows me. It's pretty great. So the reason I got the DJI Mic Mini is because this is great and all, and maybe I'll see if I can come a little bit closer. This right here is the Rode Wireless Go. So it's great. I have nothing bad to say about it. The quality is good. It's sturdy. It feels like good quality. Doesn't feel cheap. The sound quality is great. The only thing is that I don't really like is, maybe you guys have seen, it wobbles around. If you're wearing like a jacket or something that's very like heavy, or let's say we could do this. Let's see. I could put it on your hat. I've seen people do this before. It's pretty cool. We could do that, and that's cool and all. It works. It's pretty cool. You don't really feel it on your hat, but on your shirt, it's kind of heavy, kind of inconvenient, and so from what I saw online, it really looks like this one is much smaller. Really looks like this one's much smaller because these actually have the option to basically clip on wherever. It could be your shirt, your sleeve, your book bag strap, I mean, whatever. It looks like there's a strong magnet on it. It's very small, very light. So, and it's part of the DJI ecosystem. So, if I'm ever recording with my phone, I can connect the DJI Mic Mini to my phone, and beautiful, it'll connect with my phone. If I'm using the DJI actual Osmo Pocket 3, then I'll be able to seamlessly just connect the transmitter directly to the Osmo Pocket 3. So why have extra pieces? If you're a brand new content creator, it makes things easier, right? So put this away. All right, let's check out the unboxing. Let's check it out. So right out of the box, you got nice little some DJI stickers. You got some instruction, user guide, so that's pretty cool. That's it, nothing else in the box. And this is pretty much pre-packaged pretty nicely. It looks like they're gonna have everything in a pouch, so let's go and see what this looks like. All right, so now we got the DJI Mic Mini in a nice little pouch. Let's see what we got in there. And now let's see inside. All right, we don't need that. Now let's take a look inside. It's pretty cool. You got a little zipper right there. You can have a little pocket along the side. And you also got two little pouches over here. All right. So, pretty nice. Very nice little pouch, very nice carrying case. Let's see what these all are. We got 4 dead cats, or windscreens, however you like to call it. Dead cats. A little bit dark, but I like the term dead cats. We got 4 of them. Two of them that are kind of white, gray, two of them that are black. Next, from the cables, what we got is a TRS cord, and we got a USB, a regular USB to a USB-C. And now onto the last thing, and what you've all been waiting for. And now to what we've been waiting for, the DJI Mic Mini. So, as you can see, pretty nice size. The USB-C in the back. Little sticker says press to unlock, so let's take that out. Alright, so it said press to unlock. Okay. Oh, and it's already lighting up. Very cool. How about that? One of them is, oh, they are both lighting up, okay. Looks like you got the lights right there, there. Everything is ready to go. Looks like it's charged to maybe 50%, 2 out of 4 bars. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. Now come back and watch me test it out. See you soon.